When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay. You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow. You got me with your logic on that one.
All right, guys. Today we've got Judge Oakley going head to head with a cocky stoner kid who clearly thinks he's the star of his own courtroom movie. This dude's got zero direction. Acting like the law's just some suggestion, not a rule that he strolls in with that too cool to care vibe, but trust me, Judge Oakley's not having it that he's about to hit this kid with a reality check so hard, it might actually rattle the smoke out of his brain. Will it wake him up? Or will he just shrug it off and light up another blunt the minute he walks out? Let's dive in and find out. Drop your predictions in the comments, Team Oakley or Team Lost Cause. Let's get into it.
Come on up, Mr. Vick. Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney? Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right, I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. How old are you?
17.
All right, I understand you're almost done with school?
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job ever since I was 7.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
I'm trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for a double parking? And we've already got a double ROA for it? Oh.
So everything.
It's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay. All right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the baby shop in Logo,
Okay.
and I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay. All right. You got a driver's license?
No, sir.
Yeah, transportation is going to be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduate this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate?
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't think about that, but
When did you start smoking dope?
Well, I can answer that one right now. This dude's been blazing since birth. Like, I swear the doctor cut the cord and he took his first puff right after it. Doesn't take a detective to figure this one out. His eyes are barely open, he's moving like a YouTube video stuck on 2 frames per second, and he's wearing that classic, "Where even am I?" face. This man is deep in the clouds, living for the Zaza and nothing else. And hey, being laid back is one thing, but showing up to court looking like you just hit a gravity bong backstage? That's wild. Honestly, I wouldn't be shocked if he's high right now, like, in the courtroom, mid-hearing, just vibing. What do you guys think? Is this dude cooked on arrival or just naturally spaced out? Sound off in the comments. I need to know I'm not the only one seeing this stuff.
When did you start smoking marijuana?
when?
Yeah.
2 years ago,
Okay. How often you hit it?
that often,
What's that mean?
like barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
Speak.
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right? I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years if you don't do something drastic. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right? If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay? If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not? Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Okay, well, if I get a job, I can pay for it. You know?
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Okay, well, the officer that got me fired, well, I did have a plan, but the officer that got me fired, he should be the one getting it done.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC fellow.
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
Yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and when it happened, I guess he got here to reach the
You mean when this happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll give you that. Okay. How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
Because I wouldn't have had a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean,
That ain't even going to cover tuition.
School this dude really just said he makes $14,000 a year and was going to college, hiff. He didn't get fired from his little job, bro. That's like saying, I was totally gonna be a heart surgeon, but then Wendy's let me go. Like, be for real. I'm not trying to clown him too hard, because if we're being honest, it's kind of sad. You can tell this kid probably never had a strong male figure in his life to show him how to move like a man, and look, judges usually don't play the sympathy card, but Judge Oakley? He actually gives a damn. You can hear it in his voice. He's not just lecturing, he's trying to reach this kid, but the sad part is, I don't think it's getting through. This dude seems stuck in his ways, like he's allergic to responsibility and college. Even if he somehow makes it there, I doubt he lasts more than a semester, because at the end of the day, this guy just doesn't respect authority at all.
Okay, well, I'm also adopted, so, you know, the state would pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service, have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
Well, I don't think this kid's going to change. He'll probably go home, light up, and forget court even happened. That's the sad part, so many young guys out here are just lost. No direction, no discipline, just bad choices on repeat without a strong role model. They never learn how to move smart or carry themselves with respect. Court feels like a joke to them, like the judge is just going to let it slide. But the law doesn't work like that. The judge is right, he'll see this guy again. You can tell he doesn't care. That's my take. What do you think? Should we feel bad, or is he just setting himself up for failure? Drop it in the comments. And if you liked this, hit like and subscribe. I post every day. Thanks for watching.